Hi there, in this video we are going to group objects in PowerPoint. As you can see, I have opened a PowerPoint slide, and in the bottom there are 4 points. Each point and their text is separate. So my mission is to group these objects with each another. So there are 3 methods to group objects in PowerPoint. First method is select the text box, then right click. You can see there is an option with group. I'm going to group. So you can see now these 2 text box are our single object and we can move it anywhere. The second method is select the both of these text box, then go to the shape format. In arrange group you can see there is a group. I'm going to select. You can see now this one is my single object. You can edit these objects and also you can make changes in your text as well. So third one is shortcut key. I am going to select both of these 2 text box and going to group these 2 with the help of shortcut key. I am going to press and hold Control key along with G. You can see my current 2 objects are converted into a group. Again I am going to repeat. So you can see these are our groups in PowerPoint. I am going to insert a blank slide. This one. So I'm going to delete this one. I am going to show you how to group objects in PowerPoint with the help of a different example. In this example we will include 3 options. We will add picture, shape and text. Then we will group this text. So I am going to insert a rectangle. I am going to change the color, this one. I am going to insert text box. Bold. I'm going to copy this text. CEO. Going to italic text. I'm going to place here. So going to minimize it. I have few examples on desktop. I'm going to select this one. The height of this shape is 3.2 centimeters. So I am going to convert this picture to 3.2 centimeters. Align left, align middle. So in this picture I have 2 text box, one shape and third one is picture. So I'm going to select. So you can see first one is picture, second one is shape, and third one are both text box. So we have already discussed three methods. I am going to copy all of these so I can show you how I am going to group these to select these, going to picture format or shape format, group. If you want to ungroup this, then simply you can go and you can select ungroup, then these shapes will be converted into single shapes. So second one, shortcut key Ctrl plus G, and third one is right click group. In this way, so my shape is not selected, again I'm going to group. You can see now these are single objects or in a group format. In this way you can group your objects in PowerPoint with the help of three different methods. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, then must like, share and subscribe to the channel.